Hi, my name is Dillan Savage of Wirth Law Office, and I practice primarily in the Oklahoma City, Oklahoma area. Now, today we are going to be talking about modifications in custody matters. Um, to start with, we are going to talk about modification to child support, and then we'll talk about modifications to custody and custodial time. These two things can be done separately or together. Now, in order to modify child support in a custody matter, it's much easier. The burden of proof is a little bit lower, and the burden to get this modification to occur is lower. It could be as simple as the needs of the child or children have increased as they have gotten older. It could be due to the fact that you have lost your job or the other party has gotten a major increase in income for their job. It could be a number of things, but it really goes back to finances have changed or needs have changed. So if that sounds like your situation where finances have changed, or again, your needs have changed for the children or child, then you may consider going in and asking for a modification of child support. Now, next step is modifying child custody and custodial time. Now, this is a little bit of a more difficult process to get done, and the burden is a bit higher. In order to get child custody and custodial time changed, you have to have either a permanent or substantial change in circumstances to have occurred. This could be one party attempting to move states. It could be criminal charges, drug charges, any major events in the child and the parents' lives that would mean, hey, we need to go back and reevaluate whether or not the current custodial schedule and custody is appropriate. If that ever happens to you in your case and your life, you might determine that it is a good idea to talk to an attorney and move forward with a modification to custody and or child support at the same time. Now we've talked and I mentioned a bit about those major events in a person's life that may need that modification to happen. And I've had clients ask me, well, what if my child is 12 years of age or older and they want to live with me now? That could be considered a change in circumstances that could lead to a modification. So keep that in mind as well. If you found this helpful or believe it would help somebody else, please visit theoklahomacityattorney.com. Again, my name is Dillan Savage of Wirth Law Office, and thank you for watching.